This is Saxon Math for 6th grade. Today we're working on lesson number 51, and it's about scientific notation. Scientific notation is very useful, and it's something you're going to see in both math and in many of your science classes. Scientific notation is a very simple format. It's always written as a one-digit whole number, like a one-digit whole number, or it can be a one-digit whole number with a decimal, but never more than one whole digit, times a power of 10. So times 10 to the something, 10 to the something. So example might be 3 times 10 squared, or 2.7 times 10 to the fourth. Scientific notation is used to compare very large things and very small things in science. That way physicists who are studying tiny particles can write their number in such a way that it's easy to compare it to, say, astronomers or other scientists who are using very, very large numbers. So it's very helpful. Let's look today at some regular numbers written in standard form and see if we can turn them into scientific notation. So we have numbers written out the way we usually write them, and we want to write them as a one-digit whole number times a power of 10. Okay, so let's start with the first one, 2. Well, first thing I want is a one-digit whole number. 2 is already a one-digit whole number. 2. That wasn't so bad, right? Times 10 to the something. Well, 2 really just is 2. 2 times 1 would still be 2. I know how to write 1 as a power of 10. Any number to the 0 power is equal to 1. So 2 times 10 to the 0 means 2 times 1, which is the same as 2. Okay, let's try another one. 24. I want 24 first to be written as a one-digit whole number. Well, this has 2 digits in it, 1, 2. So I want to move my decimal place over 1 here and make it 2.4. See what I did? All I did is move the decimal, so I have a one-digit whole number. Okay? Times a power of 10. So 10 to the something. Here's the easy way to do this. However many places you moved your decimal point is the power of 10 you want. So for example, 24 is 2.4 times 10 to the first. 10 to the first is 10, and 2.4 times 10 would just move that decimal point right back to make it 24. So however many you move your decimal point, that's how many you want the exponent to be. Let's try it with this one, 4,500. First, I want a one-digit whole number. If I move my decimal place 1, 2, 3 places, I can get 4.5 times a power of 10. 10 to the 1, 2, 3. Because 10 to the third times 4.5 equals this number. This math problem should work out if you think of it as a math problem. 4.5 times 10 to the third is 4,500. All right, let's try this one. 29,000. Try it on your own quickly before I show you. Let's see if you can do it. Okay, I want to write it in scientific notation, which means I want a one-digit whole number times a power of 10. I need to move my decimal place 1, 2, 3, 4 places to get a one-digit whole number, making it 2.9 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4 to the 4th. Did you get the right answer? I hope that you did. Keep these notes. If you have any questions, write them on the side, and I'll see you in class tomorrow.